Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new 2020 Harris 250 Cruiser. First thing you'll see is the fiberglass helm that's ergonomically laid out with stainless steel hardware and storage underneath, 4-speaker Bluetooth audio system, nice reclining helm seat with armrest, wraparound seating in the cockpit with rear sun pad that features storage underneath, port and starboard boarding doors, as well as aft and forward. Huge rear front seats with loungers, built-in cup holders with smartphone pockets, hinged seat bases with rotocast storage underneath, seagrass flooring, large rear swim deck with a 4-step stainless steel ladder with wide handles, 60 horsepower Mercury commercial duty Sea Pro engine. This is a great pontoon boat for a family looking to get on the water on an affordable price point, or great for rental operations. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or give me a call directly, 407-394-7623.